This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Mecum Harrisburg auction. Checking out this 84 Excalibur. You've seen the wheels on Northeast Wheels Events. This is the car behind it. This was actually originated by Brooks Stevens. Continuation pays homage to the Mercedes. That is the Excalibur sword. These were truly custom-built cars. They're still actually produced on order and, of course, maintained. I'll put the address and the contact information. I'm sorry, this is an 82. Pardon me. These are powered by GM. This one's a 350. Look at all the woodwork. It's a tight cabin, but it's really pretty cool. This one has a removable hardtop. There's the soft top over there. I'm going to just show you what it's like to look out over the hood. Gives you quite a view. The running boards, the side mounts. Now it's all fiberglass. But the quality of the build is outstanding. What I like are the details on this particular one. The pinstriping highlights with the metal flake in the sword. Again, this is 1982 Excalibur Roadster. This particular car was custom built. We'll take a look under the hood. Underneath that long bonnet, you're going to see a GM 350. I like the Fram air horns on there. Little access panel. Hoping for a heater box. You got the heater controls going in there. Looks a little bit cramped. The biggest problem actually is just reaching over the fenders and such. Oh, what's cool is that you got the little luggage clamps on there. Let's continue on. Let's continue on. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Mecum Harrisburg auction. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your event directly onto your online calendar of events. I'll see you at the shows.